Hi, my name is Julie Fish. I'm a luxury collection specialist with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, RW Town Realty. As a second-generation realtor, real estate is in my DNA. For more than 20 years, I've had the privilege of serving my community, guiding valued clients through some of the most significant and sophisticated real estate transactions of their lives. I'm consistently ranked in the top 1% of my marketplace and among Berkshire Hathaway Home Services agents globally. Throughout my career, I have earned numerous platinum and diamond level awards and have been recognized as a 5-star professional agent. Distinctions that reflect both performance and client trust. What sets our luxury collection apart is extraordinary reach we provide. With a network of more than 45,000 real estate professionals, your home gains exposure far beyond the local market. That reach extends internationally, connecting your property with qualified luxury buyers in destinations such as Dubai, the Cayman Islands, Aruba, Canada, and Mexico. Behind my luxury listings is a sophisticated, highly curated marketing platform. This includes cinematic video production, targeted digital campaigns, premium print advertising, and custom property websites, each designed to showcase your home with precision, elegance, and impact. Equally important is trust. I prioritize the values my luxury clients hold most: privacy, discretion, and confidence. And I'm highly intentional in how I share information, how conversations are handled, and how your home is represented. From proper disclosure to thoughtful communication, every detail is managed with care and professionalism. Presentation is everything. I focus on strategic staging, refined marketing materials, and creating an exceptional experience at every touch point. Exclusive broker previews and invitation-only events generate strong interest while maintaining a controlled, elevated environment for your property. What sets me apart is my deep local expertise. I know the cities intimately, not just the homes, but the lifestyles they represent. That knowledge allows me to position every property strategically and connect it with the right buyer. When you combine proven local expertise, elevated presentation, and global exposure, you create a powerful advantage. That is the level of representation I provide for every luxury home I am privileged to represent.